When it comes to managing social media at scale, enterprise brands often turn to two big names, Sprinklr and Hootsuite. Both platforms let you schedule posts, monitor mentions, and analyze performance, but they take different approaches to handling social media for large organizations. Let's dive into what makes each one stand out and which might be the right fit for your brand. Sprinklr is built for enterprises that need more than just scheduling and monitoring. It's an all-in-one customer experience management platform that includes social media management, social listening, paid campaign management, and customer engagement. The strength of Sprinklr is its ability to unify social channels across large teams and global markets. You can manage multiple brands, regions, and languages from a single dashboard, ensuring that your messaging stays consistent and on brand. One of Sprinklr's key features is its social listening capabilities. It can monitor billions of social conversations across platforms in real time, helping brands understand sentiment, track trends, and respond quickly to customer feedback. The platform also provides advanced analytics and reporting, giving detailed insights into campaign performance, audience engagement, and return on investment. Hootsuite, on the other hand, has a long history as a social media management tool and is known for its ease of use. It supports a wide range of social platforms and allows teams to schedule posts, track engagement, and measure performance from one central dashboard. Hootsuite is particularly strong in streamlining day-to-day social operations for multiple accounts, giving teams the ability to manage content calendars efficiently. Hootsuite also offers listening and analytics, though it is more focused on social performance metrics than the deeper enterprise insights you get from Sprinklr. It provides an intuitive interface, drag-and-drop scheduling, and pre-built reports that make it easy for marketing teams to stay on top of content performance. Hootsuite integrates with many other marketing tools and apps, so you can connect your social data with your broader marketing stack. So, which platform is best for enterprise social management? If your brand operates across regions, requires deep analytics, and wants to integrate social media with broader customer experience management, Sprinklr is the stronger choice. Its depth, automation, and insights are unmatched for complex operations. If your team values ease of use, efficiency in content scheduling, and solid performance analytics without the extra enterprise complexity, Hootsuite provides a reliable and approachable solution. Both tools are proven leaders, and either can elevate your brand's social media strategy. The decision comes down to whether your priority is enterprise-scale integration or streamlined day-to-day social management.